Hey guys, it's Honesty. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. So we're just gonna make this introduction very short. I am at the JAMAICA Carnival band launch for 2024, aka costume launch if you don't know what band launch is. So Carnival is coming up, it's 2024 and we're in November, and that's how Jamaica we launch our costumes early for 2024. So yeah, so I'm at JAMAICA Carnival launch and I can't wait to see, you know, all of these beautiful costumes and what, you know, what they're gonna show us for tonight, Friday night. So can't wait to show you guys what they have. I can't wait to see it as well. And yeah, let's see what's in store for Jamaica Carnival 2024. So let's go, y'all. We ready. Carnival for 2024 is loading. Something.
Costume presentation. All my brothers and sisters, feel free to use all your communication devices to capture copious amounts of content for posting on all digital platforms. This year for Carnival in Jamaica, all JAMAICA costumes. The Crystal Room is proud to present the club debut of America's newest recording stars, the Dream.
What's up, courage?
Rain on it, tie it up, put a chain on it, make it tattoo my name on it. Oh, make you cry like a baby, yeah. Let's go, bro, and make a video, yeah. Make you cry like a baby, yeah. Let's go, bro, and make a video. Oh yeah, right, yeah. Bring it over to my place, and you be like, baby, who cares? But I know you care. Bring it over to my place. You don't know what you do to me. Your body like it speaks to me. I don't know what you do to me. Your body like it speaks to me. You don't cast last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Shayo. Shayo. To go bow for the result, oh. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I did win by default and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the guys out, oh. I'm a mindless you the dog, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy. I did put a cut when then kill Obama. I did try to buy moto, want Toyota Corolla. My feelings been this swing like Django Lover. Feelings been this swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for Lucky Bona. Now so much you remake it have been all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani cat churu a churu. I'm a white dog in Fendi suit. Why you say I did nothing for you when if I do anything you want me to do? Timbani cat churu a churu. I'm a white dog in Fendi suit. Why you say I did nothing for you when if I do?
my salad right in the car parking lot. So I didn't get to close out the vlog last night, so I just wanted to come on here and just do that. Today is Saturday at, I don't know, it's afternoon. But yeah, but I really hope you guys enjoyed, like, you know, the carnival costumes last night, the band launch. It was so good. But I know when I'm like looking back on the clips, I did not get like the greatest view, because where I was standing, like, there were so much people in front of me, and there was two guys and they were so tall, and it was just a disaster. I really did not get the full view of what I wanted to see, and also what I wanted to show you guys. But of course, you know, you can still see the costumes and all the videos on Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram, please do so. And you can also follow the band Yard Mass, so you know, my international viewers can get a peek of, you know, what's Carnival gonna be, what's the costumes for next year is gonna be like. So super excited about it. So if you guys don't know, and this is for all the person who don't know, so in Jamaica there are 3 bands. When I mean by bands, like carnival bands. So you have Exodus, Yard Mass, and Janex. So Exodus had theirs around 2 weeks ago, and then Yard Mass had theirs last night, and then Janex gonna have theirs on the 18th of November. So I should be going that one, so you guys can look out for that video to see a peek of their costumes and all of that, so I can help you guys with your decision, you know. But more than likely I'm gonna go with Exodus as usual, because Bacchanal is under excellence, under, why am I saying excellence, you know? So I love the Hotel Excellence. Like, I want to go so bad again. Anyways, so yeah, so Exodus, Bacchanal Jamaica is under Exodus, and you know, like I've always said this in my videos, I am loyal, so I'm gonna forever be a Bacchanal supporter. So Bacchanal now has costumes under Exodus like they did last year. So yeah, yeah, more than likely I'm gonna jump with Exodus next year. So hopefully I can jump. I'm not sure yet. Like, I really want to jump, but I'm really not sure yet, you know. But we'll see what happens for next year. But I'm just closing out this video. Appreciate you guys so much for watching, and just comment down below if you like any other costumes. And again, the view was terrible last night of what I had, so just follow the page on Instagram so you can, you know, view pictures and videos of the costume and all of that. I appreciate for watching, y'all. I'm gonna finish eating my salad in this parking lot and then head home.